Performance is always a major focus for the SOLIDWORKS development team, and this year is no different. With detailing mode in SOLIDWORKS 2020, you can now open massive drawings in seconds, regardless of their size or complexity. The model does not get loaded with the drawing views are intact, so there's no loss of detail. Detailing mode is perfect for quickly opening drawings for minor edits or design reviews. Individual sheets load in an instant, and the drawing can also be printed. But it doesn't stop there. Some editing capabilities are also available, such as making changes to annotations or dimensions. Notes can be added to the drawing or dragged from a library of company notes, and annotations added in detailing mode can also be edited. In this case, we can add line numbers and formatting to the note. This drawing sheet is a bit crowded, and as with a resolved drawing views can be moved and arranged on the drawing. Dimensions can also be positioned to achieve the desired layout. Views can also be cut, copied, and pasted. And to better organize this drawing, we'll add a new sheet, reposition the tab, and paste the view onto this sheet and do some dimension cleanup. Balloons can be added or repositioned, and taking advantage of magnetic lines for a really clean look. If additional dimensioning is required, this can also be done in detailing mode, and dimensions can be added to edges, vertices, using the same techniques you're familiar with in resolved drawings. In this case, we'll add some dimensions to locate the positioning of the holes for our gantry system. We'll also define the hole size, and you can see the dimension palette is available to fine-tune your dimension with notes, tolerances, or the dimension property manager can be used for more refinement. Any command that is not grayed out on the command manager is available in detailing mode, such as the format painter. Here we'll leverage the existing dimension and format painter to paint its format to our new dimensions and arrange our dimensions for better clarity. Revision tables, symbols, and clouds can also be added to communicate any changes. And when you're done with all your edits, the drawing can be saved, and rest assured that these edits will be there regardless of which mode the drawing is opened in next. To communicate with external collaborators, you can print out the drawing, or you can save the drawing in a variety of formats such as DWG, JPEG, or even PDF. With detailing mode in SOLIDWORKS 2020, productivity is enhanced by allowing users to open in seconds drawings containing large assemblies with lots of sheets or many configurations and resource-intensive views.